Oh, look at all Popeye's line, bro. When has this line ever been this long?
I'm about to do a little video. Y'all, this what happened. Let me tell y'all. This morning, my cousin woke me up and was like, oh, you want to go to Popeyes? She said, you want to get a chicken sandwich? I want to go too, because, you know, I wanted to try. Like, I got my chicken sandwich, y'all, but we stood in that line from, like, what time we get there? Like, 11 to, like, 2. We was in there probably, like, for 2 hours. So, y'all, let me show y'all how I look. And just make sure, because people said it didn't look right. This is how I look, y'all. This is how I look. This is all, like, good. But it come with a pickle. It come with pickles. I love pickles. But, yo, I better please. I was like, I'm just in love. I'm in love. Like, it's good. It really is good. I'm mad because I think if I had some sweet heat, it would have went better. But I don't have no sweet heat. Y'all, it's really like good. I'm smacking, but it's good. Let me try it. Hold on. Make sure it's on there right. Hold up. I don't even know what side to taste first, but I'm gonna go for the lower side. No, I'm gonna go for this. Like, no. But for real, y'all, I'm telling y'all gotta get one. It was like $3.99, but I got the meal, so I'm mad because I thought I asked for a biscuit, but sis only gave me fries. But it's okay. I'm gonna be grateful because, you know. Let me see. I'm trying to hear this good, y'all. It's so good. Like, it tastes like chicken strips with some, like, it's just so good. Like, I'm telling y'all, go get this sandwich if you didn't get this sandwich already. Put this on your Christmas list, because I'm telling you, this is good. I don't know if I should put sweet and sour sauce though, because it tastes good like this. Let me try a little bit. I had to go to McDonald's, y'all, and still let sweet and sour sauce, so I'm about to try just a little bit. I don't want to mess up the taste. You might throw it off a little bit. I don't know. I'm about to try it. No. I like it with that sweet and sour, huh? I like it like this without sweet and sour sauce, but this is good, y'all. Come on! Come on, you can't be walking up on me. I am in here enjoying my sandwich, you know.
It tastes like butter.
But yeah, get y'all a sandwich. Go get you a sandwich. And go get you a sandwich. But I'm gonna finish this sandwich, y'all. And I'm gonna let y'all know. Drop some comments below and tell me how y'all think about this sandwich.